Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money through Walmart in 2025. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of the service and its benefits. First, it is essential to understand that Walmart offers a money transfer service that allows you to send money to friends and family across the United States and internationally. This service is provided in partnership with MoneyGram, a leading global money transfer company. To send money through Walmart, you will need to visit a participating Walmart store. You can find a location near you by visiting the Walmart website or by using the store locator tool on the Walmart app. Once you arrive at the store, proceed to the customer service desk or the designated money transfer area. Next, you will need to provide the recipient's name and the amount you wish to send. You will also need to provide your own identification and the transfer fee, which varies depending on the amount and destination of the transfer. The customer service representative will guide you through the process and provide you with a receipt that includes the tracking number for the transfer. The transfer process typically takes a few minutes, and the recipient can pick up the money at a participating Walmart store or at a MoneyGram location. You can also track the status of the transfer online or through the Walmart app. It is essential to note that there are some limits and restrictions on the amount of money you can send through Walmart. The maximum amount you can send per transaction is $900, and the maximum amount you can send per day is $3,000. Additionally, some countries may have restrictions on the amount of money that can be received. To ensure a smooth and secure transfer, it is crucial to follow some best practices. Always use the official Walmart website or app to find a participating store, and never send money to someone you do not know. Additionally, make sure to keep the tracking number and receipt in a safe place, as you will need them to track the status of the transfer. In conclusion, sending money through Walmart is a convenient and secure way to transfer money to friends and family. By following the steps outlined in this guide and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer. Remember to always follow the guidelines and limits set by Walmart and MoneyGram, and to use the service responsibly.